Be that happy? I've got them opposite. I've got them opposite to what they should be. I've got to swap them really. Damn it. And that's blowing out. That's blowing out still. That is wrong. Fitting back at the bottom. There's so much stuff in it at the bottom. So much stuff in it. Oh, I didn't get to it. This one. I'm gonna twat. Let's take them off. some tape on here, see, like that, because these connections, they ain't very clever. I mean, they're all okay, but they could come out. So I'm going to put some tape around that. Okay. Nearly dropped it. You gotta be careful with these things fitting on the grill. I think there'd be a better way if they could do it so it was fitted to the van rather than to the grill. I've known people that have had these because the catch ain't been down on the thing properly. I've had people lose these on the motorway. You know, they don't come off if the catch is down, but if they forgot to put the catch back down, you lose them on the motorway. So anyway, we've got this. Now that's quite good. For some reason, they've been playing me up just because neither one of them was on. I reckon it got something to do with the thermostat on them. I do. But let me just see again. It's not turned on at the moment. Let me just turn it on. Yes, they're on. They're on and working. The only thing I've done, I need to switch them round. This wire needs to be to that one, and the wire to that one needs to be to this one. So I've got to switch them round. Oh God! Here we go. Unplug that. I'm going to turn the video off for now, but you can see that the idea. Okay, switch it off for now. And I'm going to sort this lot out yet. Look, see, I've used the hole for the original controller that was fitted just up there. I can't have the two through the same one, so I've got to find out how I'm going to fit the two. Anyway, I'm going to switch it off for now.